Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. As usual, right now with me one Epson inkjet printer. Actually, this is an ink tank printer. The model number is L5190. I will show you the model number also. Guys, this printer have a problem. It's not printing colors. Color is missing. Black is printing fine, and color is missing. uh, this problem actually comes if you will not use your printer for a couple of days or a couple of weeks. The ink become dry in the ink head or the cartridges. So now I will tell you how to fix this problem. If your printer have issue like missing the colors or misprints or totally blank page, you can fix it. It's a very easy way to fix this problem. Stay with me, watch the complete video, and if you have any question you can ask me later in the comments. There are two ways. Actually, this is a ink tank printer. One way is from the computer we will clean the print head, or second option is in the maintenance option in the dashboard of the printer. So I will create now my camera and you will see the dashboard, and I will show you the model, and first I will give the command for print to see what actually is the problem. Okay guys, hold on. Yes guys, this is the model Epson L5190. Actually it is a Wi-Fi printer, and there is a dashboard in front of you of the printer, and there are options here with the use of you can maintain your printer. So right now I will give the command first to see what is the problem exactly. Okay, here is the printer. I will go to the properties and give print a test page. Okay guys, you can see ink levels are full in the notification, and it's right now. Okay, it takes the command. Okay guys, you can see guys, test print is printing the black but the color is missing. It should be here one Windows logo, Windows 10. So you can see black is fine, color is missing. In some cases this output of this printer totally blank page. Sometimes black is missing, okay, misprints. Sometimes color is misprint. So in any case, if you find this problem, so I will tell you now how to fix this. I will put back this into the printer now. Guys, there are two options. First of all, I will tell you from the dashboard here, you can go to the settings, and this is the maintenance. Go to the maintenance and rotate to the right arrow, head cleaning. Okay, you can start head cleaning from here. You can start. This is the first option. If you do not have a laptop or computer connected with this machine, you can start your head cleaning from here. The second option is from the computer. You right click on the printer icon, and fifth option from the up, printing preferences is. Click here and you can see the one in Windows open. Third option from the up, maintenance. Okay, here are other options: nozzle check, head cleaning, and power cleaning. We will start power cleaning process to fix this problem. And you can see one window another appear. Print head cleaning may not improve the print quality in the following situation. Consider performing power cleaning if your printer or performed head cleaning when the ink levels were too low. Okay, no need to read this, just press next. As I said earlier, your ink tank should be filled with the ink because this process will consume a lot of ink. Check this option, check the second one also, because when you will complete this power ink cleaning process, you cannot start again this process until you complete the 12 hours. Okay, I check these two options. I will press next. Okay, again it's giving caution. You cannot stop the power cleaning once it has started. No issue, we will not stop until it will finish. I will press start. Okay guys, it started the process. It will take approximately 7 to 10 minutes. We will wait. You can see also here cleaning, please wait. The same process you can start from the dashboard also, but we started from the computer. So hold on, let it complete. We will be back right after this completion. and then we will print our test page again. We will see if color is printing or not. So process is near to finish. We will wait a bit here, and then we will check the print quality again. Hopefully it will be fixed. This process took already, I think, 8 to 10 minutes. So no need to worry about this time taken. Yes, I will press finish, go back, press OK, we'll press right click, then go to properties, and I will give again print test page command. Okay, just started printing. That's it. Okay guys, you can see this is the output of test page. You can see the color is printing fine. This is the old paper, there were no colors before, so now you can see it's printing fine, absolutely. So I hope you understand the method. Very easy, you can do it at your home, but make sure that your ink tank should be filled completely before start this process. Now guys, in case you required any further information, you can ask me in the comments. I will give your answers. So now I will say goodbye. I will appreciate your feedback in the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video. Take care, bye.